How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to do push-ups for kids. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys right now how to do push-ups for kids. Now, this isn't just for kids. The reason why I title it that is because I got a question from a kid asking me how to show him how to do push-ups. This is meant for everyone, kids, older adults, seniors, anyone. This is how you do push-ups the right way. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So when we first begin to do the push-ups, you guys, the main thing that you want to get correct, it's not about hand placement. Everyone is going to have different hand placement depending on how you're built. So I have very long arms, you guys, so I go a little bit wider on my stance. If you guys don't have as wide arms, if your arms are a little bit shorter, then your stance is going to be a little bit, your hand stance is going to be a little bit closer in, if you will. So when you're doing the push-ups, the key for doing the push-ups, if you guys want to do more push-ups in a row, because I keep getting a lot of questions from people saying, I want to do more push-ups in a row, I want to do more. So how can you do more? The key and the main tip that I will give you is squeeze your glutes. That's right. So a lot of people, when they're doing their push-ups, they'll do their push-ups with their butt in the air and they'll do them like this. This is incorrect. When you're doing your push-up, squeeze your glutes and get your back like this. You want to have your glutes squeezed and contract your core. You'll get into a nice position like this, and you can see my upper back. See how good it's looking. So glutes squeezed, abs contracted. Now you're in a good starting position to perform the push-up. Now when we're going to perform it, all we're going to do is we're going to come down like so, touch our chest on the ground, and then come back up. This is a good position, and that's all we're going to do. Now, a key mistake that people make when doing their push-ups is they won't squeeze their glutes, they won't contract your abs. If you don't contract your abs, squeeze your glutes, what happens is you get energy leaks. You do not want energy leaks. That's why a lot of people ask me, how do you do 70, 80, 90 push-ups in a row with good form? It's because I don't have any energy leaks and I follow a proper push-up program when I want to do my push-ups. But again, squeeze your glutes, contract your abs. It gets you in a good starting position. Then all you do, depending on where your hand placement is, you simply just drop your arms, touch your chest, and then come back up. It's as simple as that, you guys. None of this, that's improper position. Again, squeeze your glutes, contract your abs, good hand placement, come down, touch your chest, all the way up. As simple as that. That's how you do the push-up the easiest way. Now, I'm going to get a lot of questions from people saying sets, reps, how many times a week, the frequency, how many times do you want to do that? What I've noticed, the best way to increase the number of push-ups you want to do in a row is to have an intensity day and then to have a volume day. The volume day gets you ready for the intensity day so you can do more push-ups in a row. For example, let's say you're stuck doing 30 push-ups in a row. Well, if you go in every single day and do push-ups, you're going to stall. It's as simple as that. So what you want to do is Monday, do a volume day. So volume day, do 100 push-ups. If you can do 30 in a row, do 10 sets of doing only 10 reps in a row. This is going to build your volume up. So then time Wednesday come, intensity day, try to do as many as you can in a row. Let's say you get 31 push-ups now. Perfect, you've increased. Friday, do another volume day. Try to get 102 push-ups in a row. So do 12 reps for a set, then do 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, till you get 102 reps total. The next day, Saturday, after you've taken the rest day, Saturday, then what you're going to do is an intensity day again. Chances are you'll probably get 33 reps or 34 reps. And just keep doing it like this, guys, and you will see your push-ups get better. So end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.